Are you sick of 2020? Because I know I am. What can we do but make the best of this year, huh? Right? This review is going to be totally different. It's all about lashes. I have this beautiful box sent by REMADEE Lash. I'm excited to review this box because I feel like REMADEE did something, and I'm gonna let you know what it is. In the package, you receive this beautiful little box with some cute little ribbon. Like if you get individual lashes, you get a box like this, and also a 15% off your next purchase. She's so cute for that. And I also got this cute little pin. She also has some like hair accessories. So when you first open this box, the first thing you're gonna notice is a mirror. This is the first thing you're gonna notice, which I think is really cool because not a lot of box of lashes that I get have any mirrors. So I think that's pretty cool. And it has a cute little quote. It says, learn together, grow together, and slay together. Here we have 3 types of lashes. I will go over and try out each and every single of these lashes. They're so cute, very fluffy. And the cool part about her line is that she has her own type of lash glue. Her own type of lash glue, guys. I can't wait to try this. And also, of course, we have a lash applicator. So this is what the applicator looks like, and this is what the glue looks like. Wow. It does not have a really strong smell. It actually smells like dual lash glue. So that's a good thing. I was told by REMADEE herself, you do not have to wait till this glue gets tacky. So I'm pretty excited for that. I love a fast glue. So we could just pop that right on. So the first one we're gonna try is called Drama Lash, which is these dramatic, fluffy, beautiful looking ones. Let's just take a moment and look how beautiful these are. I like how it starts shorter and then it gets bigger. Like I'm gonna put it to the side. You can see how fluffy they are. Like, that's just gorgeous. I always cut my lashes because my eyes are not that long. So when you want to cut lashes, you never start from the beginning, from the shorter end. You want to start from the bigger end. That way when you do apply from your eye, you're not ruining the shape of the lashes. You want to apply glue all over the thin brim of the lash. I love the fact that she has a brush applicator because the other one just makes a whole mess. And the fact that the glue is actually clear, not white, is also a plus. So she said we do not have to wait for it to get tacky. So let's just pop that on. Wow. Can we just... Bro.
No lash, right? Lash. Can we get a
Damn. Can we just... The fuck? Alright, let's just apply the other one. Like, bro. And she wasn't kidding about you didn't have to wait for it to get tacky. You literally just lay it on. It just feels a little cold and then it dries the fuck up. Like, dries. Because this one's on there. Like, these are long. They're not meant for the weak. These lashes are not meant for the weak. These are dramatic and I love them. And I really like this glue. I like how fast it dries. It comes in a whole little kit with a mirror. Like, how cute is that? You literally can take your lashes on the go. Take them and go. Like, oh, what am I wearing today? Or I'm going away for a weekend. Like, this is perfect for a night out, a weekend away with your girls, because you don't know what to wear. You're not sure how you're gonna do your makeup. And at least this comes with 3 choices: lash glue and a lash applicator. Like, you can literally wait till the last minute to apply these. Or even better, if you don't even have time to do makeup, you know that popping some lashes on, you can have a great day. You know that if you don't have any makeup on and you have a box of lashes, girl, you know it's gonna make a difference on your face. So this I highly recommend. Like, if you want to single choice, cool. But this, she did something here, because to go with glue and the applicator, you can't go wrong. You usually have to buy all of those things separately. The fact that it's all in one package, bro, come on. Really, Remedy? You know, did yourself. I love it. Alright, let's try on the next lashes. The next pair of lashes we have is Playboy lashes. These are way more dramatic than drama. Do you see the drama in the beginning? How full it is compared to the drama ones? They're dramatic and full from beginning to end. I love those. These, I'm not sure the length of it, but they're really, really long and fluffy. Like, I barely have to turn it around. You can see how fluffy they are. These are kind of lashes I would even wear with makeup because they're so dramatic. They just make that look. Bro. Let's put the other one on. You cannot, sir, you cannot talk to me. Sir, you cannot talk to me. Sir, social distancing, please. Sir, absolutely not. What'd you say? I can't hear you. You all up in my business. Don't do that. These, though. Oh, yeah, I love these better. Nope. Like, look how long they are. They're so dramatic. I love it. Like, you need to see my liner. Like, this is crazy. And I have a dramatic smoky liner. You barely see that. Like, and then, like, you see it, but then it just, I don't know how to explain how you can just see. I'm not talking. I'm not talking because what the Alright, let's take these off and try the other one on. Dried clear. You can literally sort these however you want. Say you like buy other kinds like I did, and I bought these other kinds on the side called Sassy Lash. They look like these. Sassy lashes. So cute. You can either take just these if you know what you're gonna do, or you can just pop these out and put them in here. Take them to go. That way you have choices and decisions to make when you get there. So I think that's pretty cool. And another thing that I have observed about this glue that I really enjoy is that, as you can see, I have eyeliner on. Not eyeshadow, eyeliner. I mean, it's mixed with shadow and eyeliner. But the fact that I already tried my lashes twice, I already pulled off my lashes twice, and it has not, I repeat, it has not messed up my makeup. It has not messed up my eyeliner. The last lash that came in this kit was called, it's so fluffy, I can't even see it. Oh, the Nice Lashes. I had these pair before. I love, love, love these. These are not as dramatic, but they're full. They're like medium, I'll say. You just take a look at them. You see how full they are? They're full from beginning to end. Like, there's no gap in. Bro. I know you want to fall asleep and just look into my eyes when I have these lashes because I look nice and fluffy. Like, I am a potato, but this is a whole nother level of fluffiness. It's so soft. I love it. Oh yeah. Let's see what it looks like with both of them on. These, or like, bro, like, can we just appreciate? Like, bro, can you just mind your business? Yo, mind your business. Or just look into my eyes. Just look into my eyes. Just look into my eyes. Oh, do I got something there? I'm sorry. Like, dude. When you're done, you pick the lashes that you want. Put it back in here. Put your little glue back. Your little applicator. Bro, close it and you tie it for safekeepings. And you just go anywhere with these, like, and it has a mirror, like, bro, this is so handy. I love this idea. Thank you, REMADEE Lashes. Like, you have changed my traveling ways, because this is definitely going to be in my traveling kit. Like, this is a must to travel. You can't go wrong. For glue and the applicator and 3 lashes all in one, she did it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more looks of this beautiful self, and stay tuned what else I have coming in store for you guys. Thank you for reviewing these lashes with, like, I don't even know who I am right now, so I'm going to end this video right now. Make sure you subscribe, and I gotta go.